Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ophis jong District Sports Officer Southwest Khasils District. Haka khatsan tarik uluber ajar pesan jong katayo balala. Kalau Pynlong ye kejinyo kop siat khnam jong ki khna kentei. Kebelatip kum ka Asmita Archery City League Hamaharam Higher Secondary School Mawkyrwat Southwest Khasils District. Kejing Pynlong ye kena kelumpung ye lekai kalong kum shibenta ban kentiu bat penslor ki khna kentei. Makin mi syakmat ban shibenta kejing lekai sports prepare But hakatega sngi lai don lang uba di Singkon District Sports Officer Southwest Khasils District kumukongsan but ka RCH Marak SI Mawkyrwat Police Station kumkusembut kongsan kong balutmon ningnong JR Football Coach Southwest Khasils District ki coach but kiwei kinong job hakatega sngi hakasau pau meter ka aifida kharso pho kalawan hakkerdan beningkong baar ka ila risuk wanyang bat balai layo daga merisha marthong hakalai pau meter ka ilari suk wanyang kalayo ya kekedan ke beningkong baar ka aifida kharso pho bat balai ka emisha kharso pho katba ka overall ka aifida kharso pho kalayo ya kekedan beningkong baar layo da ka ilari suk wanyang bat balai ka emisha kharso pho
Penyelenggaraan ekonomi lebih yang tersimpan dalam dan di dalam liga dari bukan keharusan dari Haida Hansel betul kita skor kedua di 6.
Of the idea regarding the program, but I would like to thank sir for have given me an insight about the program, and also here at this moment as an players who are going to perform today, I would like to say that give your best and also focus on what you are going to do, because you are going to be a face to everyone, like especially here in Southwest Khasils. Sir had said that there are minimum number of players who are participating in this program, and also through you, because you will be the face. Wherever you go, they will see you, so you can encourage your friends to also join, and also you can say that through practice you can come here and join this program, or maybe through you, because we cannot see them, but through you they can come here and they can at least know about this. So don't keep it to yourself. At least share with them, okay? So at least you might be only few, but through you, you can bring many players. Okay? So when you are in your village, you can tell them that this is the program we are having. It's fun, and also through practice, even though you don't know, it's okay, but you can come and have a practice. Okay? So I hope that through you, you can be like a light to your friends and to your other youth. So from my end, I won't have much to say because I don't know much regarding about this, but still I'll encourage you to kindly request other players or other, not players, but other students or other kids, young children to come to this program. Thank you.
Bangan priang so pa iwe siya kani ka Asmita Women's League bangin Pynlong ya kani ka discipline jong ka archery hang ni hapo Maharam Higher Secondary School te kani ka Asmita City League kadai ka bangin Pynlong bangin ke ya ka Women's Day kanong part of the Women's Week but kadai ka scheme ka baka sarkar pedenghi na po Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of India makila Aisha baro ki national federations siya ki state but ki union territory government bakin Pynlong ya kini tingiru hang ni po kilo India Center jong Maharam isokumen bangi yo ay kalat bangin host ya kani ka Asmita Archery City League tingi sokumen ru ba ki nong isimata kim dei tangki kena ki banang ni na po kani Kilo India Center hang ni bangi ai training hinrei ngiyo ru ya ki kena ki bawan nanong ston bangi la khot kerpang te apa man ai kublei ki jing ya wan isimata ka jong pi te kai gini ka Asmita City League mo ka jing mo jo gani ka Asmita ka de achieving sports milestone by inspiring through action mo kata ka de ka jing mo Asmita Women's League debali kanang bikin ailat aimen sim ni kena kan thei impek ba kena kan thei bunsin kim jura kham mi shkhmat banwan ni shimenta ki sports ha ki jingile kai te limba bangi organize kini ki program kini ki tournament kom kini kena kan thei le se kan pen sluri ki de yu i ba ki yu i kom phi ba mi shkhmat banwan ban yele kai te ki wei wei lu ki kena kan thei kin mi shkhmat namar limba ka jingile kai sports competitive hi ka ai ko overall fitness physical fitness kumjuru ya ka mental well being mo te pitep hi ba ka sports ka plelat ya ki ba ladap ya ki bam shimenta le se kim nom so tho mo te ngan chu puli khindiat bal kai objective jo kani ka city league kani ka long ba kan ai plelat kum ong mane ni kong du ya ki khna kan thei ka jingle kai sports ban ai kata ka lat ginti kata ka exposure mai ong khanang bekin la ban ya shim benta ban kin so tho kai kata ka healthy competition kalong